Good morning everyone. So it's a beautiful sunny day here in Tobago and I'm staying and reviewing the beautiful Escalante villa located in Englishman's Bay. Now just a few things before I give you the general walkthrough, some information you can have from the start. This is located on a UNESCO site which is in the main forest reserve of Tobago, a protected area for nature, and it overlooks the beautiful Englishman's Bay. The upstairs has its own ensuite room with bathroom and a half bathroom outside, as well as an open floor area, kitchen, everything you can need. And then downstairs has 3 bedrooms, also self-contained with its own kitchen, a small pool that you have access to, and everything in between. There's a large car park for cars. You could fit up to maybe about 4 large vans in it, and even outside there's a beautiful little swing set for children and that kind of stuff. So this is a really nice villa and I'm excited to show it to you. Let's do a walkthrough and I'll show you the property as we go, and that's it. So check it out guys, stay tuned and let's go and see. Bless up.
Out here on the street, I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without seeing your face. Oh, you gave me your heart and took it away. I'm going underground, take
Well, I hope you guys enjoy that little tour of the inside of the home. I'm here chilling by the small pool that overlooks this beautiful view, which let me just show you again. That pool and that view could be yours. So as usual, I'll have all the information below the video. I hope you guys do get to come and stay here. The one last note I'll leave you with is that it's a nice change from staying in the normal touristy area of Crown Point and that kind of stuff. So check it out. Come and have a little vacation in a different part of Tobago. It's truly spectacular and great comfort in this Villa Escalante place that you can now rent here on Airbnb. All information, as I said, is below, and pricing varies depending on the size of group and time of year. So message them, ask for a quotation, and get here now. Truly worth it. Have a fantastic week, guys. Blessings and love. Peace out.